Hi, my name is Markus, and today I would like to introduce you the all-new Atomic climbing skin range. For all our backcountry touring skis, we offer pre-fitted skins. For all other ski models, like twin dip skis and all mountain skis, we offer the multi-fit skin. As we do it on the ski side, we also try to improve and innovate our products on the climbing skin side. And our new innovation is the rocker skin. Since all skis have a rocker in the tip, we also saw that climbing skins need to be designed in a different way to be more efficient. We have in the rocker area of the ski a base material instead of the regular skin material. The specific base material in the glide zone provides a better glide and less friction. Very important for a climbing skin, of course, is as well to have a safe grip. Therefore, we use 100% mohair skin on all of our skins. And this mohair skin is placed in the high pressure zone, so to say in the camber zone of the ski. Thanks to the ultra thin base material we use in the tip area, the skin gets by 10% lighter compared to a regular skin. With our new cutting lines on the skin, it's a very easy thing to trim your skins to the ski.